Make a great choice today with
the 2020 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps, privacy glass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.